to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell to be notified for future videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have an unboxing from our good friend John. He commented on a video of mine and asked if I wanted some old cars. And I told him, sure. So, today we are unboxing what he got us. I think that's all that's in there. A lot of stuff. A lot of dirt too. But he did warn me at the beginning that it'd be dirty. So let's start out with this. Hot Wheels. It looks like it's one of those McDonald's toys, and it is. Could do something really cool with this. You can do like a custom or something with that. Got an idea or two with that. Got another Hot Wheels. What is this? Not even sure, but probably can make something work. Hot Wheels again. Oh, this motor could be easily used for something. Probably like a Gaslands build or something. This is the car. When I opened the box, I saw this. Johnny Lightning. Custom Tornado. I love this because I love Oldsmobiles. So that's just sweet. That's getting redone right away. Let's start with the bag. And also there was this too. Could do a custom with that. Huh. Never seen one of these before. That's cool. Let's put these off to the side. Start with the bag. Got, what is this? Custom. Yep, that's what I thought it was. Custom. I have a couple of these at Plymouth. Well, a real one, not a interesting looking one like that. Taxi cab. What is this? Who's this? Matchbox. It's pretty cool. It's an interesting car. What is this? Huh. Looks like a Dodge Charger of some sort. Ooh, this is cool. Freaking Daytona. NASCAR car. That's pretty sweet. What do we got here? Probably a parts car we could use. It's a Hot Wheels. Interesting. Oh, ooh, Cuda. You can always use a Cuda. Sweet. Oh, yeah. Nice. Make something out of this. Probably custom lowrider or something. Ah. Good. Look at all that dirt. Wow. That's cool. Fun. A couple more in here. Oh, sick. Another Johnny Lightning, custom Continental. Yeah, these Johnny Lightning ones are definitely getting redone. I like these old Johnny Lightnings, they're cool. And then there's also an old truck in there, so that's pretty cool. Put this back in the bag. And our next bag. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, Corvette. And it has a motor. Nice. Need some wheels. Racing champion. Yeah, I've had a couple of these racing champion cars before. All it needs is a new set of wheels and a new paint job, some other parts, but we can make do with that. Ooh, what is this? Old Matchbox. I have never seen one of these before. That's awesome. Paint needs to be redone, but that won't be too bad. What else? Hot Wheels? No. I don't know what that is. It's interesting though. Probably use it for parts. Ah, another Daytona from Hot Wheels. Sweet. I haven't managed to finish one of those yet. Mustang. Can never go wrong with a fastback Mustang. Huh. Another one of those Corvettes like this. It has all full tires. Huh. Engine's better than this one too. Maybe we can make like one out of two of them or something. Oh yeah. Charger. Sweet. Ooh. Cuda. Never seen this kind of Cuda before. Ah, that's why. Huh. I see a Camaro. What is it, Johnny Lightning? Yeah, it's Johnny Lightning. It's missing the hood. Looks like it's missing the roof too. Oh, maybe the top. No, it's not. Wheels are all still there. All this car needs is a paint job. You make it like a custom like hot rod or something. Maybe you can do that at the no rod to hot rod or something. Huh. Is this a Cougar? Oh, that's an old Cougar. That's an old Johnny Lightning. Look at that. Hood open? Oh my god, it does. Oh, I love these old Johnny Lightnings. John, thank you so much. More in here too. We got Viper. Haven't done a Viper yet. Ooh, old beat up Nova. Pillar's cracked, but we can make it. We can work with that. Cool. So that was bag number 2. Hands getting dirty. Whew. Alright, bag number 3. This is a Scion. I think so. But that's cool. I haven't done something like this before. Oh. Look at that. Freaking El Camino. Never seen one like this before. It's pretty sweet. Should repaint it and get a bumper for it. No way. What do we got? Matchbox. Toyota Supra Turbo Matchbox. Oh, wow, that sucks that that glass is broke, but I might use this for my movie car build. I know a lot of you are going to hate me for that, but my favorite movie in the whole wide world is the Fast and Furious, the first one, the original one, and I like the Supra from that movie. So that puts an option up there. What is this? Look at that, guys. It has no front tires, but it has a detailed motor, hood scoop, fatties in the back. This is a sick looking Chevelle. We got a lot of cool stuff to do. What is this? Old. Another one. Look at that. Another Johnny Lightning. Sweet. So I'm taking forever, guys, but I'm enjoying this. We got where are we? Another Johnny Lightning. It's a Ford. That's right. God, these Johnny Lightnings are so sweet. I never had a lot of these, but I'm starting to collect them now, obviously. Oh, this makes me sad. This is a beautiful cornet. Oh, we'll make her pretty again. We'll make her pretty again. This is what I was worried about. This is here. We can always put a new motor in it. New tires. New paint job. That's cool. Ah. Oh, IROC. Some Hot Wheels. Huh. Old 69 Charger body. No bottom, but yeah, we can make something out of this. Cool. And another one of these cool Novas, drag cars. Also cool engine and everything. Wow. So that was bag 2. Well, honestly, you know what? I'm gonna organize these anyway, so. Alright. Bag number 3 or 4. I think 4. So we're gonna start off with this 57 Chevy. This is cool. I like the paint job on that. Look at that. The blower and everything. Oh, wow. Freaking 69 Charger. Missing its engine, but I got plenty of engines. I could always just repaint this, and I got wheels for it too. So we could always redo this and make it cool again. What else we got? Another Johnny Lightning. What's that? AMC. Yeah. That's cool. New paint job on that, and it'll look brand new. What do we got? Oh, wow. It's all here, too. Another Johnny Lightning. 71 Challenger. I just cut one of these up. Well, not this, but that casting. Hot Wheels. Nice. I have one of these, but now I have another one. Sweet. Base to something. Base to some Hot Wheel, but that's okay. Ooh, Beamer. Matchbox, right? Yeah. Can never go wrong with a Beamer. What do we got here? Top to an old drag car? We could do something with this. I got ideas for that. What is this? I'm not completely sure what this is. But it's okay. We can make something out of it. Is the hood open? Oh, open. Huh. Look at this. All these cars with the hoods are open. I like that. And a Porsche from Matchbox. Nice. Paint's chipped. Not big into newer cars, but I'm not complaining. Very cool bag. I'm excited about that. There's a lot of cool cars in that bag. I like it. All these cars, actually. I love all these cars. Thank you, John. Number 5. Car that I'm eyeing right now as it is. Yeah, I think so. Is this the Fast and Furious Camaro? I think it might be, because I had one of these when I was a kid, but I accidentally destroyed it. What's this? Oh, smashed. futuristic Batmobile looking thing. Sweet. Ooh, I have a couple of these. These things are cool, but I never knew what you could do with the one to customize it. Ah, another Daytona with a big motor on it. Sweet. Big old wing. I have a couple of those in my collection. This is the Matchbox number 34 Formula 1 race car. Curious, was there a guy in this by chance? Huh. Guys, let me know down in the comments if there's a guy that came in this kind of casting. I've never seen that before. Two more in this bag. We got a Corvette. Very nice. And a 69 Charger. I have a casting like this, and it's in orange, but it doesn't have the hood, and it's a plastic base. But this is a Johnny Lightning. Wow. Yeah, we could get that back together and on the road. Cool. So guys, if you like these videos, please let me know, and please like, comment, and share. This is fun. I like on doing this stuff. It gives me, these cars give me something to do, you know? Because I have a lot of cars, but I have a lot of nice cars, I won't lie. So when I get stuff like this, it gets me excited, because then I can start building new cars and start building some nice stuff. So what are we starting with? It looks like a Corvette. No hood, no bottom, but that could be some Wasteland's car, I guess you could say. What's that here? Another one of these cool drag car type cars with the motor. Nice. Hot Wheels. Sweet. What is in the back? Wow. Whoa, what is this? Hot Wheels 25 edition. Looks like it was a red line, but I think it was one of the older ones, not the ones from back in the day. Someone knows, please let me know. That's pretty sweet. It's plastic. Thunderbird. Hot Wheels, that's cool. We can redo that. Ooh, nice. Ford Torino. Haven't done one of these yet. That could be cool. Oh no, look at this, guys. You guys remember this? We just redid one of these. We made it to a police car. Sad. Got crushed. Two more. Another custom Hot Wheels. Cool. And there's another Johnny Lightning. That's freaking awesome. Motor opens. Sweet, it's a Corvette. Sweet, guys. So I know this video is kind of long, but I wanted to thank John again for sending me all these cars. Dude, I appreciate it, and all these cars will be used very well. And guys, I hope you have a good day. Have a good week, and we will see you in the next one. Remember, guys, on Friday, Diecast Mafia is posting their station wagon builds, so stay tuned.